TI-34 MultiView Teacher Kit Review. The one calculator teachers hoard.
Your classroom set just grew legs and vanished again? And now you're down to 4 working calculators for 30 kids. I lived that chaos every Monday until the TI-34 MultiView Teacher Kit showed up in bright yellow glory. No more missing calculators, no more tears. Comment calculator graveyard if you've ever counted to 10 and cried.
Now imagine opening your caddy and every single slot is full. Bright yellow backs, screaming school property, so loud even the sneakiest kid thinks twice. That deep, satisfying click when 30 screens light up at once. Your sanity finally returns without adding one more thing to chase.
Meet the TI-34 MultiView Teacher Kit, the classroom hero that ended calculator wars forever. 4-line multi-view display so students actually see their work and catch mistakes themselves. MathPrint that shows fractions, exponents, and roots exactly like the textbook. No more "why does it look different" tears. Step-by-step fraction simplification that teaches instead of just answers. Previous entry scroll so kids can fix errors without starting over. List functions for real data crunching in science, solar plus battery power that never dies mid-lesson, and the legendary yellow Easy Spot slide cases with school property printed so big they're impossible to steal. Last spring, Mr. Thompson almost missed state testing because half his calculators walked off. He switched this kit mid-year and finished the semester with all 10 still in the caddy. The room went from chaos to calm in one period.
Still think any scientific calculator will do? A 7th grade math coach told her entire district the multi-view display alone raised fraction scores 18% because kids finally see what they're doing. A science teacher said he caught 3 kids trying to forget their yellow calculators in backpacks. The giant school property label made them put them right back. One department head wrote, "We went from replacing 40 calculators a year to 0 in 3 years. Thousands of teachers guard these kits like treasure because they actually stay in the classroom. Yes, the yellow is loud, but that's the entire point. It works better than any tracking app." See why the TI-34 MultiView Teacher Kit has entire Facebook groups swapping storage caddy hacks? Because it ends the disappearance drama and actually helps kids learn math instead of just punching buttons. Which feature would save your sanity tomorrow? MathPrint perfection or never losing another calculator again? Drop it below. I read every single one.
If you're ready to stop playing hide-and-seek with calculators and start teaching math again, the TI-34 MultiView Teacher Kit is your answer. Join the middle school teachers, department heads, and science labs already enjoying full caddies and zero drama every single day. 4-line display, MathPrint, fraction mastery, theft-proof yellow, everything your classroom actually needs. Just tap the link below and see why this is the only calculator kit schools never regret buying. No pressure, just full sets and happy teachers waiting for you.